Students, today we will learn the second lesson of geography, the sun, the moon and the earth. First, we will learn the moon's motion. Like the earth, the moon also has axial and orbital motions. The moon, while rotating around itself, revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. As a result, though the moon does not revolve around the sun independently, indirectly it makes revolution around the sun. The time it takes to make one revolution around the earth and one rotation around itself is the same. That is why we constantly see one and the same side of the moon. Now, let us learn the geographical explanation of the moon's motion. The moon's orbit of the revolution is also elliptical as that of the earth. Hence, the distance of the moon from the earth is not the same everywhere along its orbit while revolving. When the moon in its orbit is nearest to the earth, it is said to be in perigee. When the moon is in a perigee position, the distance between the earth and the moon is about 356,000 km. Now next is when the moon is in its orbit, it is farthest from the earth, it is said to be in apogee. When the moon is in apogee position, the distance between the earth and the moon is about 407,000 km. Now we will learn the phases of the moon. The phases of the moon are quite interesting, right? As you have studied the phases of the moon, you know how it waxes from the new moon day to the full moon day and how it wanes from the full moon to the new moon day. The moon gets illuminated by the sunlight. The illuminated part of the moon seen from the earth appears greater or smaller day by day due to the moon's revolution around the earth. From the new moon to the full moon, the illuminated part of the moon goes on increasing gradually. Similarly, from the full moon to the new moon, the illuminated part of the moon goes on decreasing gradually. The changing shape of the illuminated part of the moon as seen from the earth are called phases of the moon. Now 3 phases are there. Which one 3 phases? First one full moon day, second new moon day and third quarter days. So first full moon day. On the full moon day, the sun's light falls on the entire portion of the moon facing the earth. Therefore, the moon appears as a full circle. Second is new moon day. On the new moon day, the sun's light does not fall on the portion of the moon facing the earth. Therefore, the moon disappears to be dark and invisible. Quarter days, third is. On the first and the third quarter days, the sun's light falls on the half portion of the moon facing the earth. Therefore, the moon disappears as a semicircle.